the So Trendy referral program and how it works. Visit our website and click on the Earn Rewards Now button. Create an account with us. You will be asked to verify your email when you do so. Then you'll return to the site and log in. Once you are in your account, you can see any orders that you have placed and their current status. Click on the Earn Rewards Now button again to see your referral link, your $10 rewards, and your 10% off coupon. Your referral link is available here, in which you can copy to your clipboard. When one of your referrals clicks on your link, it will take them to our website, in which they will be prompted to enter their email to receive their 10% discount code. In your rewards window, you have a shortcut to share on Facebook, Twitter, and email. Click on the How It Works button for a brief explanation of the program details. At the bottom of this window, you will see your current stats, both how many clicks and how many purchases have been made through your link. If you return to the original window, at the bottom you will be able to see your rewards. Click on that to see how much you have earned in your account. So Trendy referral bonuses are compoundable and can be used with other discounts and markdowns in our store. Use them towards the purchase of So Trendy products or gift cards to give away to fans, friends, and family. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more instructional and how-to videos from So Trendy.